All right. Now we're going to do 43 and 40. I skipped 45, went to 47. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So we're just going to do 43 and 47. Okay, and so in 43, it says if 2x plus 13 equals 17, then find 3x minus 1. Okay? So I've got to find this one first. Does that make sense? So what do I do here? Can't see? Go move over. Oh, I'm in the way?
The camera away.
Oh, can you move over?
No.
You can move right.
My back hurts.
So did mine.
Well, that's too bad. It's in the book. I know, but I haven't used it.
Is that fired? Fine.
Yours made it worse. I can see it. Training's fun. I don't have to.
We're recording right now, so I mean, hopefully when your mom comes tomorrow, I'll let her see this video online.
Tomorrow.
That's what I'm hoping. It is,
Tomorrow.
you know,
What? Open house?
open house tomorrow. Hoping to see all of your parents.
Yeah. Hopefully my
All right, so what we're going to do is pretty simple. Oh, by the way, the problem's up here if you can't see it on the board. If you can't see it there, it's in your book that's in front of your face. Okay, 43, 2x plus 13 equals 17. I just need to solve. So what's the opposite of adding 13? That's it. Subtracting 13. Okay? Now, I get 2x is equal to 4. What's the opposite of multiplying by 2? Dividing by 2. Okay? So x is equal to 2. What do I do now? How do I figure out this one? How do I find 3x minus 1?
Common sense. First one.
What do I do?
First one.
Plug it in. Plug it in. 3 times 2 minus 1. That's it. That's all you're doing. You found x, and now you're putting it into the function. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it equals 5. And that's simple. Okay?
My butt hurts.
The next one. We've got 47. Okay? 47. What am I going to do? It says all the angles in a triangle add up to be 180. Right? So how much is this angle?
90.
No, it's not 90. If all 3 of them add to be 180, right? Then wouldn't this angle, 22x plus 7, wouldn't that equal 180 minus
Shush.
these 2 angles? Ladies, seriously, leave.
Really?
Seriously,
Where am I supposed to go?
down to Ron. Go down to the office or shut your mouth. It's real simple.
I have it down.
Well, other people are trying to listen.
Oh, you can go on now.
No, you can leave now. You want to talk back? Leave. Or I'll call Gene. I don't care. Okay? 30 and 63. That's all we're doing. 63 plus 30. We're subtracting that from 180 because they all add up to be 180. This is next year. This is actually geometry. The reason why I have you doing it is to give you just a little taste of what the beginning of next year is going to be like. All right? For some of you, this is going to be tough, for a lot of you actually, because when I see my geometry students, they come in, they're like, what are we doing? I don't get it. So just remember, all three angles add to be 180. Okay? So this angle right here, 2x plus 7, is going to equal 180, all three angles, subtracted by the two angles that it gives us. That's all.
Which
Right?
is the whole thing.
Which is what's left, right? Does that make sense?
Kind of.
So it's the two angles that they give us. Oops, I put in a 3. That's not good. This is 30. Okay, the two angles they give us, subtract it from 180. That leaves us what this angle is. That's all. So what is 63 and 30?
83 or 93.
93. Okay, what are we doing there? What did we just do?
Parentheses.
Parentheses, very good. PEMDAS, parentheses. Now in geometry, you're going to learn to do the proof. And it's going to be not called parentheses, we're going to call it simplification. Right? But for right now, all we need to know is, okay, parentheses. Exponents, are there any? Exponents?
No.
No. Okay, multiplication, division, from left to right. Anything I can multiply? No. Addition, subtraction? Yes. See, this guy is still going to subtract here. This isn't 90. This is 93.
Oh, you kidding me, Daniel?
I know, I'm just losing my brain up here. Okay? And each time I'm testing you, you got to check me on my work. Alright, so 63 and 30 is 93. 93 from 180, what is that? It's not going to be 90, is it?
87.
There you go. Okay, so we got 87.
Where'd you stop?
Alright, next.
Well, you can also just add all the angles together and equal it to 180 and solve for x the same.
That's how I learned it.
You can. I mean, it's going to add up to be the same.
Yeah, oh, absolutely.
But if the parentheses throw you off right now, just add them all together. It'll all equal out to be the same.
And we can do that next. Not right now.
No,
But
but
we'll
I'm
do
just
that
saying,
on
that's how I
we'll
do
do
it.
that another way next. Okay? So 87. What do I got to do? I got to. Yeah, are we doing stat map still? What was this? What was this? PEMDAS, right? We were doing the addition subtraction from left to right. It's still simplification, right? But here we're doing stat map. So the opposite, what's happening is the opposite of plus 7, which is minus 7. When we do to one side,
We can do the other.
that's it. 2x equals 80. Then what? Again, it's dm, opposite. So divide by 2, and we get x is equal to, there it is. Okay? Now, like what Sarah was saying, if we wanted to, erase this real quick. If we wanted to, we could have just added these angles all up. We could have said 30 plus 63, whoops, plus 2x plus 7 equals, so all the angles add up to be 180, right? And then you would do the same thing, okay? You would add these up. This is PEMDAS, parentheses, there are none. Multiplication, division, there is none. Our exponents. Addition, subtraction. So I got 93 again, plus 2x plus 7. So now I can take the 93 and the 7, right? And the 93 and the 7 give me what, 100?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2x plus 100 equals 180. And then I subtract. That's the SAD map. I get 2x is equal to 80. Yeah? And then x is equal to 40. Either way, this way seemed a little easier. Yeah?
Are we done?
So, Yeah, we're done with that. Well, we're not done with the homework yet. So, that's, 43 and 47.